Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So what are we doing today? As you can see from the title, we are doing eye swatches and we are doing a tutorial on the Smokey Glow and Midas Cosmetics Midas and Smokey Glow collaboration. And if you don't know who Smokey Glow is, I will link her channel down below. She does makeup reviews. She does, you know, like sometimes like controversial topics. Touches on the drama. She like dives in deep to that. She doesn't touch on every like drama that happens, but if it's something bigger and that people want her to talk about, then she'll jump on it. And then she does a like, I love the yes or pass that she does. She basically shows like, you know, the stuff that's trending, that's new right now, and if she's gonna buy it or not, and why not. She also does Talktorial Tuesdays. I don't think she's done them like every Tuesday recently, but she basically will just chat with us and do her makeup on like maybe like a new palette or whatever it is. But anywho, I finally got it. I've been waiting on it for a while. So yeah, if you're interested in watching this, then stick around. Okay, I recycled the box already, but because it took so long because of the whole, I think there was like a shutdown in the factory of Midas Cosmetics in China because of the whole thing with the coronavirus, which I will not get into. But so they included a little baggie that says, "Hi friends," and on the back it shows a Smokey Glow and Midas Cosmetics collaboration. It's cute. It's a cute little bag. And then it wasn't in here. I actually just put it in here because I thought it was perfect for the palette. I only got the palette. I didn't get everything else. I just got the palette. And she typed up a little note that says, "Hi friend, I just want to give a massive thank you to you for purchasing a product from the Midas and Smokey Glow collab. I have worked so hard on making this palette the last couple of months, and it's so surreal to me that the note I am writing right now will be in your hands along with my products. When I first started doing makeup a few years ago, I was at a really low point in my life. I was struggling with anxiety and depression, and I felt like I was stuck in a loop of negativity. During this rough time in my life, makeup helped me stay positive, focused, and has given me an outlet for my creativity and passion. Every morning, the 15 minutes that I was getting ready were anxiety-free, and my routine helped me start off my morning with a little bit of glow. Makeup means so much to me, and that's why I jumped at the opportunity to create my own collection with the help of Midas Cosmetics. This collection was designed for everyday makeup wearers like myself who also love a little glam, sparkle, and glow. I hope you have as much fun playing with these items as I did making them. I love you guys so much. I hope every day you wear these products you feel amazing. I appreciate your support more than you'll ever know. Thank you for letting me create my dream. Hannah." So if you don't know anything about Midas Cosmetics, it is a Dominican-owned indie brand founded in 2018 by Rocio Nunez. I think this is a one-man shop, like a one-man show, and she basically does everything, which is freaking incredible. And always like Hispanics and companies, I will always try to support them. I actually want to get more stuff from Midas Cosmetics. If you know any other like Latina-owned brands or Hispanic-owned brands, whatever, or women-owned brands, comment them down below, and I want to definitely check them out. The brand focuses on inclusivity, and diversity by working with and giving a platform to a range of artists. Midas wants people of all backgrounds and skin tones to feel loved, appreciated, and celebrated. I am gold, I am strong, I am beautiful, I am unapologetically me. If I would have said it right, that would have been nice. Anywho, I am Hispanic, as you can tell. I think you can tell. Can you tell? And my first language was actually Spanish. So sometimes I struggle. Like I feel like I don't know English and I don't know Spanish anymore. Like I don't know them both on their own. I have to like combine them. So yeah, Spanish was actually my first language. And then I actually didn't start learning English until I started school, elementary school. And that's when I started getting the English, like I had bilingual classes and I learned it from other kids and stuff. So anywho, back to this. This is what the palette looks like, the outside. That's the packaging and the back. And then we pop it open and it's like a little glittery, super cute. I like palettes like this that are thin and easy to carry because I feel like I can travel with this. And inside it says, "Hi friends," and the little mirror. I do like that it has a mirror. Oh no, Leno is broken. I'm not gonna lift it like I did because it's broken. Okay, maybe I'll hold it. So those, the packaging. Oh, it's so pretty, but it's broken. I mean, it's like coming out of the pan. I think I'm gonna have to repress it, and I don't know how to repress stuff, so I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But anywho, we're gonna start with the eye swatches. I'm gonna put a timestamp maybe in the video or in the description. If you don't really if you're not interested in the eye swatches, then you can skip forward to the tutorial, and it's just a time-lapse tutorial. It's gonna be like super quick and fast forwarded, so I'm not gonna be talking through it. It's just gonna be like, you're just gonna be jamming out with me. So yeah, let's start with the eye swatches. Now we're gonna jump into the actual look. It looks a little dark in here because it is getting dark out now. So I am going to do a look together and then we will come back together after that's done. So I'm going to fast forward through this look and then we will come back together so I can give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, we are back. So what do I think? What do I think? What do I think about this palette? I really like the look that I put together. It's maybe I'm still like trying to be in the fall, but I really like it. I absolutely love it. I actually saw someone do like a look like this with a Jeffree Star palette, like darkness and then like lighter, and that was kind of my inspiration for this look. But honestly, I really like the way that they performed. So when I did the eye swatches, as you saw, if you did watch that part, they weren't like super like wowing. I wasn't like super impressed with them, but when I started playing with them and actually like creating a look with them, that's when I really got the feel for it. And I absolutely, like, I used a lot of the shades in here just so I can give you guys an understanding of like how these work. I used basic to set, and I love that it has a white in here. I used group chat for my inner corner. highlight, and it's beautiful. I use Rose as one of my shades up top. I used Amazing, I used Colleague, I used Half Pony, and Dofa is what's all over the lid. And I use Cold Brew to do a transition. So I definitely do think that this is a great palette, and I am super excited to get more Midas Cosmetics palettes and stuff from there because I want to try their product. And the thing that excites me the most is that she's like an indie brand and it's a smaller brand, and to be able to get this quality from a smaller brand, she is doing a great job. So great job, Rocio, and great job, Smokey Glow Hannah. Great job on this collaboration. I absolutely loved it. I wish I would have got the other stuff, but that's okay. Maybe I'll get them in the future. This palette I just checked right now, and as of today is March 10th, it is not available, but they did say that they were going to do a restock. I did see that the lippies and the highlights were available if you're interested in that part of it. What else was I going to say? Oh, if you saw from when I was swatching my Leno, that's the only thing that made me super sad, is that this popped off. I'm not the type of person to like reach out to a brand and ask them for something, so it's fine. I didn't know what to do with it or where to put it because it didn't fall on the ground, it just fell within the palette. So I have this empty, it's part of my empties video that's coming in the future, my Laneige sleeping mask, and I just like popped it in here because I didn't know what to do with it, and it's like a super pretty color, and I was like, I am not throwing that away. I am not. So yeah, I kept it. I guess I'm gonna keep it in here. Hopefully I don't forget that it's in here and throw it away or something. But yeah, I do think that this palette is amazing. I loved it. And again, congratulations, Smokey Glow, for a great launch. I know it was a little bumpy because of the whole coronavirus, but just know that that was not your fault, girl. So yeah, super excited to do more looks with this. I may do maybe some more looks and put them on my Instagram. But yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of the swatches and the look that I put together. Oh, did I tell you the price? Sorry. It is a little pricier. It's $36, but there is a lot of different codes that you can use. Like you can use a Smokey Glow discount code to get some money off of there. There's other people that have codes. If you watch other people that have codes, like I believe Theresa's dad has a code as well. So whoever's code you want to use to just get like some percentage off, then you can do that. So I got a discount, but it still came out to $43.80 because shipping was $15. So it is pricier since it is being ordered online. So just keep that in mind. I do think it's worth it if you don't have these shades. Of course, I will always say you don't need it. You don't need to buy it. But if you want these shades and you've been wanting to try a palette from Midas Cosmetics, then I do recommend this one. And I do absolutely love that they have like the brown shades on here, so you can use this if you're going to work. You don't just have to do some craziness like this. You can do something more calm down. I actually was going to do something that wasn't so dark and not something that you couldn't wear to work, but then I got a little carried away. So yeah. Okay guys, I will see you on my next one. Again, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you like me. Subscribe if you like me. Subscribe if you like me. And I will see you guys on the next one.